Hey everyone, want to use Excalidraw for education? Excalidraw is a free, open-source online whiteboard that's perfect for teachers, students, tutors, and study groups. You can use it to explain concepts, create diagrams, brainstorm ideas, solve problems, and collaborate during lessons. In this full guide, I'll show you how to use Excalidraw for education in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Excalidraw website. Yeah, you can start using the whiteboard instantly without creating an account or installing any software. Next, create a title for your lesson and organize the canvas into sections. You can separate areas for explanations, examples, practice questions, homework, or discussion topics. Now use shapes, arrows, text, and freehand drawing tools to explain concepts visually. Excalidraw works well for creating flowcharts, mind maps, timelines, science diagrams, math problems, and system illustrations. If you're teaching online or working in a study group, click Live Collaboration to invite others. Students and teachers can edit the same whiteboard simultaneously, making lessons much more interactive. Use colors, labels, grouping, and spacing to organize your lesson materials. Keeping related ideas together helps students follow the lesson more easily and improves overall readability. When your lesson is finished, save the editable Excalidraw project file or export it as a PNG or SVG image. This makes it easy to share lesson materials with students or reuse them in future classes. And that's how to use Excalidraw for education in 2026. Whether you're teaching in a classroom, studying independently, tutoring online, or collaborating on group projects, Excalidraw provides a simple and effective visual learning environment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.